Welcome to Factory BTS, where we unlock the secrets behind the world's most fascinating industrial processes. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of e-waste recycling, specifically how pure 24K gold is recovered from old, broken cell phones using industrial-level technology and unbeatable chemical precision. Every mobile phone contains a small amount of gold used in connectors, SIM trays, microchips, and processors because of its superior conductivity and resistance to corrosion. It may seem tiny, but with millions of discarded phones, the amount of gold adds up fast. The first step is manual or automated dismantling. High-precision disassembly robots, like the Apple Daisy robot, can separate 200 phones per hour, pulling out key gold-containing parts such as motherboards, SIM slots, and CPUs. Crushing and shredding. Next, the extracted components go through a shredder machine, usually a hammer mill shredder. It crushes the e-waste into small flakes or powder, increasing surface area for chemical processing. Separation process. Magnetic and eddy current separators. Now we need to remove non-precious metals. First, a magnetic separator removes iron-based components. Then, an eddy current separator pulls out aluminum and copper, leaving behind a mix rich in gold, palladium, and other precious metals. Chemical treatment begins. Acid bath. This concentrate moves to the chemical extraction phase. The gold is separated using a process called aqua regia leaching, a mixture of nitric acid, HNO3, and hydrochloric acid, HCl, in a 1:3 ratio. The mixture dissolves gold into a solution known as chloroauric acid. Important equipment used. Fume hood system. Filters and vents toxic gases safely. Glass reactor vessels. Acid-resistant tanks for controlled chemical reactions. Heated stirring units. Maintain consistent temperature and mixing precipitation and filtering. Once dissolved, a chemical called sodium metabisulfite, Na2S2O6, is added to the solution. This causes the gold to precipitate. Solid particles settle at the bottom as pure elemental gold powder. It's then filtered and rinsed multiple times to remove any acidic residue. Drying and melting. The dried gold powder is now ready for smelting. It's loaded into a graphite crucible and melted in a high-frequency induction furnace at around 164 to 4 C. The result? Liquid gold that cools into 99.99% pure 24K gold bars or nuggets. Weighing and stamping the gold. The gold is then weighed on precision digital balances, cast, and sometimes stamped for purity before heading off for resale, investment, or industrial reuse. From broken phones to glittering gold, this is the power of industrial gold recovery, a process combining chemistry, robotics, and sustainability at its finest. This is Factory BTS, bringing you the untold processes behind the things we use and throw away every day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory deep dives.